Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. Welcome back to Technical Freak, where today we are about to transform your PC into a performance beast. I am stoked to guide you through the simple yet game changing process of activating high performance mode in both Windows 10 and the shiny new Windows 11. So, trust me, this is the shortcut to unlocking your computer's hidden potential. So, grab your virtual toolkits, hit that like button, and let's embark on the journey to boost your PC's performance. Subscribe if you haven't already because you won't want to miss what's coming up. Let's get those computer revved up. So, let's get started. In this video, we will learn how to turn on high performance power mode on Windows 11 and Windows 10 computer. So just press Window and R and open the run window, or you can simply do a right click on the start icon and click on the run. Once you do that, type power cfg.cpl. Once you have typed it, hit OK, and a new window appear like this. So once you are here, see if you have high performance or ultra high performance plan, and once you have selected, so congratulations, you have selected the high performance. But let's say if you don't have the high performance and you only see the balance, uh, just like me in the computer. So for that, here we need to click on the change plan settings, and then you will find change advanced power setting from here. And here we have this processor power management. Click on that. It should be um, it should be 0 to 5% on battery from here, and uh, and the maximum should be 100 on battery and plug-in. So once you do that, maximum processor state. So once you do that, you just restart the computer, and see the changes in computer performance, and please hit like and subscribe the channel. So I'll see you in the next video for next tutorial. So stay tuned with us, and please subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends, um, and do let me know in the comment uh, what type of tutorial you want to watch. So I'll make a video on that a particular um, tutorial. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.